Hi guys, and welcome back on my channel. So in this episode I am starting to preparing the rims to paint. As you can see, the rims are here, 1, 2, 3. So I will sand it, put some base, and I will go to diamond cutting. So I will start doing this using 240 sandpaper, 320, and I will put base like I said before. I will paint them. I will go to do the diamond cutting. Maybe if the owner will agree to record, I will show you. But you can see diamond cutting on my previous episode. So we can see Volvo diamond cutting rim. And the last step will be clearing it. So let's start doing this. Forgive me for my voice, but I'm a little bit sick. So the one rim is prepared. I sand everything. Now I have to, wax and grease the entire rim, and I have to do this piece, and I will be painting them. So I will do this off the camera, and we will meet in the spray booth. So see you there. Wheels are prepared to paint. So they are looking like this. I clean them. I don't need to do this because this will be diamond cutting anyway. So this work is not necessary. Same here. And here the important things are those places. So now I will paint them with base, and if they will be dry, I will take them and I will go to the diamond cutting machine, and the next step will be clearing it. So I will use clear and I will clear them. We'll put tires, balancers, and the wheels will be ready to put on the car. So it's time to paint.
As you can see, I am still sick, but I have to work further with this car. So today I want to paint the elements of this car if possible. So I will sand the bumper. As you can see, the wheels are in, not screw but in. Here the rails are doing fine. So that's why the engine is missing, I have to tell you, because in the accident the rails was bent on the left side, you know, and that's why it have to the body shop have to disassemble the engine and it have to straighten the rails to current position. So that's why the better way to do this is without the engine, I think. So everything is aligned, and I will sand those elements on the car, and I will start painting them. So time to do this. As you can see, my dog is very crazy about, you know, she wants to play with the water. As when she see the water, she is crazy about it. So now, guys, I will do fenders and the hood. The bumper is prepared. I will use 600 with water. I will be doing this off the camera and I will show you the entire job done. So